Welcome to AVEVA PDMS admin tutorial. In previous video, we have discussed about creating a teams. Now let us add some users in our project so that we can log in. So users are basically a set of people which can have a username and ID for a login, and then they can log in into your project and start working. Okay, so those users will be distributed in teams, and depending upon database distribution, those users can access the specific data with that team. Okay, so you have to also decide the user, its username, password, and a team in which that user is going to belong. Okay, so let's start. This point, we have created a teams, so we have created some randomly 4 or 5 teams here. So getting into the user tab, go to elements, select user, and you will see there is no user right now other than system by which we have entered in this project. Okay, so let us start creating a new user. Go to bottom and select a create option. That will, like a team, it will start creating a user. Okay, fine. So what is there in user tab? Create user tab. First, you can give a name, you can give a description, you can give a password. Okay, security, what kind of user is that? Mostly it is general. And then there are, it will the system will show the number of teams which are available in the project, and then you can select in which team you want to put that user. Okay, so let us start with admin. Very important user, first user of your project. Let us set a password. Just a second. Admin. So it will be an administrator. A description. Then set a password. Admin. Sorry. Admin. Security general. And let's see where we can put the admin. So admin can be there in the catalog team. Admin can be there in draft administrator, can be in design administrator. Similarly, lot of administrating teams will be there depending upon specific zone. Okay, so you can add those all teams here and you can say apply. Admin will be added in your list if you check in the background. Okay, then let's say add a design user. Password is design, and then set up a description user for design. Okay, security will be general, and let's say it will be a part of a design team. So I don't have design team here, I will just put it into a draft team. Okay, okay, similarly there will be ISO draft user. Password will be ISO. Description will be user for ISO draft. Okay, and then I will add it in an ISO draft user team. So similarly, you can create number of users and sort them into different teams so that you can have a structure for a project, in what database which team is working and in which team what kind, how many number of users are working. That structure you can make. So first you get it clear with the structure and then start making a user from the project. Same as team, you can also copy, modify and delete users from the system. Okay, so that is very important task for admin. Okay, And if you have a number of users, let us say 100 to 1000 users in a single project, you can also sort those users by security, by description. Okay, so that can be done. Yeah, so this is about creating a user, creating IDs for those user and password for login. And then if you check on the login page of PDMS, you will find these users listed in the project, and then you can log in with this username and password in a project which we have created. Okay, so thank you.